What's up, YouTube? My name is Louis, and I run a candle business with my girlfriend straight from our condo here in Montreal, Quebec. And today is a special day because I am making candles.
Oh my God! Wow!
And I thought it would be neat to show you the behind the scenes of how I prep my station, aka my kitchen counter, the candle making process as well, and maybe some extra tips and tricks that might be interesting to all the other candle makers out there. The goal is to inspire. I want to show you that you don't need a large space to turn your small business dream into a reality. All you really need is number one, a good idea, two, passion to keep going, and three, the drive to execute day in and day out. So let's go into my kitchen now and I'll show you how I set everything up. Let's go. Welcome to my kitchen. This is where I make all of the Basque hour candles. This is where I meal prep. This is where I have my me time when I'm doing the dishes because we don't believe in dishwashers here. Just kidding. We don't have room for a dishwasher, which is why we clean them by hand. Honestly, I don't really mind though because I've been cleaning dishes by hand all my life. I don't really mind it. I have my DigiBoil right beside me. I will show you the setup after. I have my mat here. This is where I pour candles just so I don't make a mess on the kitchen counter. I'm usually pretty careful when I pour. Nice and slow is the rule I follow. No need to rush when you are candle making. I usually mix all my fragrance oils in the wax right here under my stove hut. So we do have all the cans prepped. We don't have many cans left because we are changing our cans soon. And I am so excited because the cans are freaking beautiful. We're trying to elevate our brand. One of the best ways to do that is by having a nice, beautiful, luxury looking vessel, whether it's glass, tin, or what else do you use? Glass or tin, I guess. You're not ever going to pour wax in a plastic vessel unless you want microplastics burning in your air.
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
No bueno. We are non-toxic for a reason. I'm gonna bring down the tins, get them all set up behind me on my kitchen counter, and yeah, let's get to it. The thing with running a small business straight out of your condo is, well, you're probably gonna have a lot of boxes everywhere. So we have a shelving rack here in our dining room slash kitchen area. We have boxes in our room. We have boxes in our living room. We have boxes at my parents' place. We're gonna be stashing more boxes upstairs in my girlfriend's mother's unit right above us. Boxes, boxes, boxes. But you know what? We are so thankful for everybody that allows us to store boxes in their homes. Love you, Mom. Thank you so much. Sometimes you just need to work with what you have. So that's what we're doing. Let me get this down. Lightweight. Yeah, lightweight indeed. We don't have many cans left. After 4 years of using these beautiful little 8-ounce paint cans, we are moving forward to something new. So exciting. Look how cute they are though. To be discontinued. Can't believe it. Anyways, let me put these over there. Almost done. So we're gonna start off with the cans you see on the right side of me. And I have some travel tins here too. These are also gonna be discontinued very soon because we are upgrading our smaller tins as well. I'm gonna continue getting everything ready in the kitchen for candle making. My DigiBoil is ready to go. It's at the perfect temperature. Let me show you what it looks like. Here we go. Yes, this looks a little bit awkward. Some saran wrap. There's a lot of wax that hits this area, so I like to keep it clean by putting a little plastic wrap around my buttons. But it's looking pretty good. Temperature will rise a little bit more, but should be ready within the next 5 minutes. The wax is melted. Lock her up. She's good to go. One thing I like to do to keep everything organized is just have one basket for all my candle making needs. So I have my gloves, I have 2 scales, I have my, what do you call this thing again? I have my infrared thermometer, my beautiful wick trimmer, which we won't be using today, but it's still here. And I have some mats for my pitcher area and another one for where I pour my fragrance oil. I like to keep things clean in the kitchen because I do cook in this kitchen. Everything needs to be clean at all times. I am a clean freak, especially when it comes to my kitchen. I clean this kitchen 4 times a day easily. My girlfriend thinks I'm crazy, but I've worked in restaurants for the majority of my life and I just like a clean kitchen. It's embedded in my brain, embedded in my blood.
You're cooking in a burnt pan, you fucking dick! They're gonna blow fire in your face, you fucking donkey!
I'm gonna continue setting up and I'll show you what it looks like right after this. All right, so this is what my setup looks like here. So I have my pouring pitchers ready with the elastic and Scott towel combo. This way leakage is minimal. I have a mat underneath with some Scott towel. FYI, if you're using plastic anything, whether it's for your fragrance oil measurements, whether it's spatulas, I always recommend PP5 rated plastic, BPA free plastic as well. When it comes to pouring pitchers, guys, please use something that is not plastic. Plastic is not the way to go. You're pouring hot wax into plastic pouring pitchers. Microplastics will leach. The last thing you want are your friends, family, customers lighting up candles with microplastics in the wax burning in their home. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna get started on the actual candle making process because time is of the essence. So I'm gonna put you over there and you're gonna watch me in a time lapse now. So enjoy the time lapse and I will bring you back at the end of the journey when all the candles are setting on the kitchen counter right beside me. Let's do this. My trick is to pour nice and slow. Just snap it forward, snap it back. And if you don't have a steady hand, use your second arm to balance out the pitcher. So I have a little Scott towel in this hand. I apply some pressure when I'm pouring to help me balance the pitcher forward or backwards. Something I like to do in between batches is eat a little bit of food. It's good to stay energized. I got a little chia oat bowl here with regular milk, some blueberries, mangoes, and homemade granola. Super tasty and gives me the perfect amount of fuel I need to keep going. And there you go, batch number 2 complete. Now we're gonna move on to our third batch and our second scent of the day. Down to my last batch. Making some coffee scented candles. I'm gonna finish this off and you're gonna watch me do it, all right? This is the final row, the 4th row for Café Soda, our coffee scented candle. It smells good in here, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I wanna get this done so I can train, go for a walk, and enjoy life, I guess. Oh, and there you have it. 3 batches done. It took longer than expected because I was filming through each batch. Now we're gonna let them cool down for 24 hours, and then I'm going to trim the wicks, heat gun them for a nice clean, even top, give them another 24 hours to cool, cap them, put them up on the shelving rack, and let them cure for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Letting them cure for 2 to 3 weeks optimizes the burn and gives off a stronger scent throw. I would say candles are a little bit like wine. The more it ages, the better it becomes. All you have to do is just wait, let them work their magic, and you will have a very good finished product with a little bit of patience. So there you have it. If you have any questions about candle making or starting your own business in your small space, leave your comments down below. And if you have any other video ideas, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.